Here are some tips on charging your Google Pixel 9a. So the first and main one is through your USB-C. So get the original cable which comes with the box, or you should get any high quality cable for reliable connection. Plug one port of it to power adapter, computer, another device with USB-C type port, basically anything. Only know that adapters are sold separately and the speed may vary, and the other port of it right into our USB-C port, and the charging is started. So the fast charging is automatically enabled with this phone, and it shortens the charging time. Usually it's something like 30 minutes. Also, this phone can be charged up from another device, so you have to connect both of them with USB-C cable. Some Pixel Pros enable battery share. Let's actually check whether the phone has this option or no. Battery share. Unluckily, this phone doesn't have any battery share. However, as already said, some Pixel Pros have this option. And let's go to the last point. And the last point is our wireless charger. So get your wireless charger, make sure that it's plugged in. Let's grab our phone and let's place it in our charging station. The form factor may vary, but as you see, they're compatible and they are working together, and this is basically the most important part. The phone can last up to 24 hours with the regular use and up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver enabled. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.